up, guys? So I'm back today with a hair wig review, and today it's gonna be on this hair I'm wearing. This hair is from VSHOW Hair, and I think the texture is like a kinky curly jerry curl texture. Let me get the box. So yeah, VSHOW Hair, and it is, you'll have to excuse my equipment, it's so bad. My recording equipment, like my camera's wobbly, but we gonna get through this. So the density is 180 of this hair. It's pretty long, and it is kinky curly, and it's 22 inches. I did receive this in a giveaway on Instagram. So yeah, my thoughts. I've been wearing it for like a month on and off. My thoughts about this, oh god, it smells really, it has a smell to it. First of all, that's one. It has a smell to it. Even when I shampoo and co-wash it and all that stuff, it still has a smell to it. The hair is still soft. I haven't noticed major matting, but there's always, whenever like I manipulate this hair or try to like wet it and run my fingers through it, clumps of hair will just like fall out. And when I was trying to work with this lace front thing, frontal, there you go, that's the word. I'm new to this. I'm new to human hair wigs, so I usually do synthetic. So when I was trying to manipulate the frontal, it's like balding really badly, and I tinted the lace closure. I put concealer on the lace closure, on the lace frontal, not closure, frontal, and it just didn't never melt into my skin. It didn't look natural. So yeah, like pretty much when I'm wearing this, you can tell I'm wearing a wig, and I'm embarrassed. Like, I mean, not embarrassed, I just don't know what I'm doing, I guess. But this lace is so bad, it makes it hard to wear. So yeah, I think it looks like a band-aid to me, like the type of lace it is. It just looks weird. I don't know, I just don't think it's a good quality frontal. But I did reserve it for free, so I'm definitely grateful about that. And this is like my work wig for now, and I'm just gonna play around with it and try and get better with human hair wigs. And this is like my experiment wig. I didn't bleach the knots. I added a elastic band to the cap or whatever, so it can stay on, yada. And I did the got to be glued method, and my patience is just very thin when it comes to doing my hair, so you can guess how that went. Yeah, so that takes time. So I like this texture, like the curl. They were kind enough to give this to me in a giveaway, and it's super cute. But I'm not sure if I will order from them in the future. In the future, I think I will probably do like Ali Pearl or something, you know, and not do a frontal, because this frontal life is hard, so hard. I'm gonna continue working on this wig. I think I'm gonna I have my hair cornrowed under this, so I'm gonna uncornrow it and figure out how to sew this onto my head with some leave out and blend the leave out with this, because y'all, I look like a crackhead. Like, this is so bad. It's just like lifting and whatnot. Like, it's just, it ain't for me. I'm trying, but yeah, minus this horrible equipment that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit more of my hair without getting too personal, you know. This is the 22 inches. I haven't straightened the hair or anything, but yeah, it's a journey, and I'm just gonna stick it out, maybe dye it a little bit, bleach these knots when I got the time, and just roll with it, you know. That's all you could do right now. So hope y'all enjoyed this review on my VSHOW Hair's Honest, and yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, maybe comment if you have something nice to say. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Be blessed, stay home, stay safe.